green the place can never be green only from the school or green from some public land, unless you are talking about forest reserves which are there, but how many forest areas do we have in this country? So we need to mitigate this through also issuance of seedlings to the public through the chiefs or the Ngao group during the time of planting. Because unless we are going to support the farmers, then we shall only be talking about trees in schools, trees in public places.
We need something on water resource management to be part of the guidelines. How do we do that? Is it harvesting of water alone? We need something on afforestation, which we are talking about. We are concentrating in schools, but if you ask me, there's Karura Forest. I think we can take children there. People to adapt the forests they also have in their areas and continue building those forests.